Hello Internet. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Behringer Ultravoice XM8500. This is a dynamic microphone that was made by Behringer. It has a cardioid pattern. This is not a sponsored video, and I will entirely be recording the audio for this video using this microphone. I picked this microphone up about 7 months ago and really have been enjoying it for making my content. And I'm not a professional by any means. According to the product description, it has a 2-stage pop filter to minimize breath and pop noises, as well as a frequency response of 50 Hz to 15 kHz. This microphone weighs about 11.4 ounces. With this being an XLR microphone, you will need an audio interface to record with it, or some alternative to that. This does come with a microphone clip, a nice sturdy padded case, but you will need to source XLR cables, pop filters, and mic stands separately. When I picked this microphone up, it was $23, but due to inflation with the pandemic, it is raised to $41.95. I will be including and updating an affiliate link in the description so that you'll be able to find the best pricing available on Amazon. I also will be including a more in-depth review from Podcastage and a nice cover from Jazz Banjo Rex, where he compares this microphone to the SM58. I do hope this video finds you well. Thanks for watching if you're watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, or checking out any of the other content I've been working on for you.